thanks for checking us out. We're Surefoot Hardscape products. I'd like to talk about our paver edging, why we're different from some of the other products that are on the market. The first thing that makes us really different is we have a built-in connection system that we've put into our product. It's a male-female connector that simply you lay over one piece into the other. There's no clips involved, and it's a real fast way to just simply get the product connected one piece into the other. Rather than laying one piece over another and having to reach for your spike and then reach for your hammer to connect it, it's a lot faster way that we can really speed up the process. Our whole idea is to basically reduce labor time in the way that we've designed our product. Another big feature of our product and the way that we've designed it is every other edging on the market, when you cut the edging of a product that you basically will cut to make flex, a lot of the other companies on the market, that cut brace is on the front and on the bottom of the edge. This way, basically, you have to lift the product up to get at the snap piece to cut, and it makes it a lot more time consuming. If you have a big radius, you'll cut a whole bunch of sticks at once with the saw. What we've done is designed the first edging where the cut brace is basically sitting on top of the feet that you're putting your spikes into. Since it's off the ground, you don't need to lift the product. Basically, you can go ahead and start spiking our product and nailing it in where you have a radius. Just simply take your snips from above and cut the rail on an angle. And the reason why it's this is it basically bumps up the edging no matter which way you're going on an inside or outside curve. It will flex, and it's a real simple way. Don't worry about pre-measuring or pre-cutting. This we call cut on the go, and it's one of the most revolutionary changes in the product designed for edging. The last thing that we did was also to try to eliminate the lifting that goes on. A lot of times with edging, when you put in a spike, the edging will pull up and rock away and start gapping away from your border of your stones. What we've done to combat that is you can actually drop your spike in on the rail, anywhere for that matter on the edge, and when you push the edging towards the pavers by throwing the spike in, it eliminates any of the gap and problems that will happen right from the installation on the first job. A lot of times you'll look at it and see there's been problems and gap that has been created from that. Finally, our product, another revolutionary thing that we did was to combat frost problems. Every edge seems to have the issue. Every year you have to keep nailing it in and tapping it down because it just gets pushed up. The reason why is a lot of other edges on the market, when you put in the spike, it just goes straight down. When you're able to put an angle on a spike, and the way we've designed it on the main hole, you can still get a straight spike. But to give the ability to angle a spike, what you can do is go on either side of the edge, and when you use this spike on an angle, you can get one direction, and then 3 or 4 holes later down on the edging, throw your spike in on a different angle. This will basically create an X on a side view profile, and edging has much more resistance to lifting when the spikes are going in 2 different directions. That's basically it. We've basically looked at trying to eliminate all the things and problems that we saw with other edges on the market, and at the same time allow you to basically do a job faster, easier, and move on to the next job and start making more money.